I only tore off about half of this roof. Didn't want the shed to move around or rack a little bit. So it's out of square enough. I didn't need it any worse than it is. So we'll put on some hurricane clips and get this part of the roof built, and then I'll tear off the rest of the roof and finish it. I've got Gary the cat up here helping me out. He's our supervisor for today. So the biggest challenge is building a square roof on top of a building that's not anywhere close to being square or straight. I'll get blocking on these first three done so that I can start building the ladder truss center on the end of the building, get my overhang right. I took some pre-zacked measurements to make it so that my plywood fits up there and lays like it's supposed to. Getting that plywood started initially and getting it straight is the hard part. Once it's started and it's straight, then the rest of the pieces kind of fall into place. Two of these will have to be notched out because the old 2x4 on the right side of that building right there is sticking up a little bit too high. I don't want to cut it down, so I'll notch the pieces that I'm putting on this ladder truss here. I left a lot more overhang on the back side of this building than I did on the front. The back side's going to kind of tie into my greenhouse there, and it's also going to that's going to be the part of the building that's going to hold some solar panels. I kind of figure with the extra overhangs on this roof that I'm building that maybe I can keep enough of that water away from the old building that the shed will last a lot longer, sustain a lot less damage from the moisture and the water and stuff. The big secret is all the waterworks I'm putting inside that will have to be sure that I don't have any leaks and any of that kind of stuff, and keep the moisture off that floor. But leaks can and will happen. So one of these is going to have to be notched 1/2 inch, and the other one is going to have to be notched 5/8 of an inch, according to my pre-zacked calculations. It's going to be interesting to see once I start the decking up there, just if I'm going to have to shim any of that after it's all said and done, because who knows how accurate my measurements are. At the end of this day, got a little bit accomplished. I put this end rail up. Decided I needed an extra hand, so I just nailed a board over there. So I had something to lean that 2x6 against, and then nailed the front part of it. Then came back over here to nail the back part of it. It worked out pretty good. My son and my granddaughter came over and we hoisted 3 pieces of this plywood up here so that I can get started on this decking here pretty quick. I got some more blocking to do and some more hurricane ties to put in. Get all that done, and then I'll start fitting the decking to it, glue it down and fasten it all down and get this started.